My father is good at playing sports with me.
My father is good at driving.
My father is good at painting.
My father is good at telling jokes.
My father is good at fixing things.
My father is good at cooking.
My father is good at swimming.
My father is good at making things.
My father is good at reading stories.
My father is good at playing video games.